Here Giancarlo is demonstrating a simple way of applying lime paint. His first coat is lime paint, and it's diluted about 30% and applied with a roller on top of a wall primed with Firenze primer with quartz. We'll just make believe this is a wall. He rolls on this coat and allows it to dry. Lime paint is older and been in use for centuries, way before most other paints, and is actually an original green product that won't grow mold because of its high pH and alkalinity. He now applies a second coat with his trowel. He allows that to dry and proceeds with a third coat of lime paint. Lime paint comes as a thick paste of calcium hydroxide, and you water it down to a consistency to either roll on or to trowel on. This lime paint is perfect for exterior. And also for interior, it gives you a very, very nice soft look with no polish. Now Gian has taken some latte di calce, which actually means lime milk, added some tint to it, and has watered it down sufficiently, and is applying it with a sponge tool. This technique is used to give the lime paint a little bit of aged look, as if it had been painted 100 years ago. It just aged with time. There's a bit of resurgence of the use of lime paint in many areas of the country. California, Florida, to name a few. Texas, New Mexico. Lime paint, very nice. Very subtle matte look.